Huh?
He's very good.
He can do that? You know what that's called? Pull up. Pull up.
He can do it.
Oh. Do.
With his hand.
Yeah, well, he's using his muscles. Yeah. Exactly. Alright. Alright, lads. It's 5 o'clock right now about. They've been working all day. And all the pillars here have been filled. Let me show you. Wait a second. Alright, second. Allah, the best drink. Okay, ra?
Okay na.
Magyapon.
Magyapon.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi, every two. Okay.
Oh, good. Salamat. So all these pillars are filled. I went all the way down, and then half of it's done. The other half will be done tomorrow. You trying to sneak up on me? Off! I can't move my arm. Okay, go.
Actually, follow me. Come here. Mommy said go grab her some water.
The manager of the hour, of the day. He's been overseeing everything. But then, so basically, half of it's done. Tomorrow, look. No cement mixer, just all by hand, lifting it, doing the train, you know, bringing it from the bottom to the top, smoothing it out. Tomorrow it should be done. Oh, pa. Uli na ka? Uli na ka? Ay, balik? Huh? Ogma? No. Ay, asa man ka? Ilaya? And then balik? No. Busy. Your motor is okay ra? Ano sa problema? Inza? The battery? Oh, so low? So low? Oh, sige. His motor broke down earlier. Now it's working. Asa man ka?
Gonna buy my
Yakult. Look. And this is sitting here playing with Barbie girl. That's a no-no.
I'm a Barbie girl.
I know you got long hair, but that doesn't mean you're a girl.
There. My hair is
Well,
already
awesome. You're just coming out of nowhere.
Look at my hair.
What's wrong with your hair? It looks nice. You colored it really nicely.
No, there's already short there.
I said it's already short. It's gonna grow. It's okay. That's fine. That's not very long. It's gonna come back. No problem. Okay ra. Okay. So tomorrow should be done. Katlin say babush.
Babush.